As an embroidery enthusiast, you spend some of your very favorite hours stitching on your machine. But do you ever feel like you waste too much time hunting for the tools you need? Say goodbye to chaos and hello to organization with the Kimberbell Tool Tote. Our thoughtfully designed tote keeps your supplies in one place so you can stop looking for what you need and start doing what you love. The Kimberbell Tool Tote includes pockets and pouches for clear blue tiles, orange pop rulers, USB drives, and more. We even include stickers so you can clearly label what goes where. Everything is safely contained in our chic designer bag. Going to an embroidery club, class, or other event? It's easy to grab your tote and have everything you need in one portable place. It's easy to experience the joy of creativity when your supplies are organized in such a beautifully efficient way. So why wait? Get your Kimberbell Tool Tote today. It's a total game changer.